Hi guys, it's Paula. I hope you are doing well. Today I am bringing you my top 3 perfumes for spring. This is a collab video with my friend Canoe. You might know her on YouTube or Instagram as CANOEXMAKEUP. She's one of the first people I actually met on Instagram after I opened my account a couple years ago. And we talk regularly ever since then, for 2 years now. She's such a sweetie. So please go check her out. She is going to be doing a similar video where she talks about her 3 top perfumes for spring as well. I was a little hesitant about discussing perfumes because I do not consider myself an expert of perfumes. And I think it's kind of a very personal thing. Just because I like a perfume and it smells nice on me obviously doesn't mean it's gonna work for you if you try it. But I did receive a few requests to do this video, and Canoe and I are both perfume lovers. I've actually bought a perfume off of Canoe, and Canoe has given me perfumes in the past that she had multiples of. So we definitely share that connection. So please go check out Canoe's video and follow her here on YouTube and on Instagram and tell her I said hi. I'm going to discuss my top 3 perfumes for spring. But before that, I thought I would give you a little tour of all of my full-size perfumes. So for the purpose of this video, I did not show any of my body sprays or deluxe samples or samples because that would just turn this video into a 24-hour marathon. But I thought I would show you my full-size perfumes that I currently own. I don't think that they are a true reflection of my tastes currently in spring of 2018. But it's what I have, and I do have some favorites among them. I just don't know if all of them are current favorites, but they are what I have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the perfume and give you some information that I could find about the perfume. And then I'll come back here and we'll discuss my top 3. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the bathroom back there and see what perfumes I have. hope you enjoyed that little tour of my full-size perfume collection. On to my top 3 perfumes for spring. Now, I've discussed this in a previous video, but I generally like fall scents. I have a lot more, I think my collection has a lot more fall perfumes than springtime perfumes because I'm just drawn towards like sandalwood and musky and vanilla kind of scents. That's kind of what I prefer. As I was kind of going through my collection just now and looking at what I had, I do have some very nice spring scents. So let's talk about those. In no particular order, my 3 current favorite scents for spring are as follows. First of all, this little sample of Saint perfume from Kat Von D Beauty is a lovely scent. I received this one and a similar sample of Sinner from Influencer for review purposes. It was funny because I received these in the fall time, and at that time, Sinner was by far my favorite scent. But now that it's spring, I'm leaning towards Saint as my preferred scent. I do have some information on it. Kat Von D basically wrote a poem about this perfume on her website, but here's what she called it. Candied floral fragrance, a gourmand perfume that fuses jasmine and tiara flower with top notes with heart of mandarin, caramel, and sparkling Mirabelle plum, as well as vanilla, sandalwood, and creamy musk as base notes. I can't imagine a world where I say the words creamy musk and it sounds appealing, but somehow Kat Von D made that sound good. So that is Sinner. It is a beautiful perfume. There's definitely some floral in there, but it's not so flowery that it takes over the rest of the perfume. It's just a nice scent for this time of year. So I would definitely recommend you check that one out if you are looking for a good spring perfume. Up next, I have Cashmere Mist Blush by Donna Karan. This is a deluxe sample that I bought. It also came in a set with the regular Cashmere Mist, the original, and then Cashmere Mist Black. They're all good, but I really bought it for this one. This is such a lovely scent this time of year. I couldn't find a poem written about it like I did for the Kat Von D one, but basically it states on their website, the top notes for this perfume are mandarin orange, core notes of jasmine and rose, and base notes of woodland, lily, and musk. So this is a gorgeous perfume. It's light, but it still has a nice scent. I love it. I think it's a beautiful perfume. And then my final top pick for spring perfumes is La Vie Est Belle from Lancome. I actually bought this from Canoe last year. I mentioned in a post how much I loved this scent after trying a few samples. And she said, hey, I got one. You could buy, you know, she gave me a great deal because she's a sweetie. But yeah, so La Vie Est Belle. There was really nothing in the description about this perfume that I could find other than it has notes of iris gourmand and patchouli. I typically am not a big fan of patchouli, but it really works for me with this scent. So I think it is perfect for this time of year. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of those 3 perfumes, if you're wearing them now for spring. I am trying so hard to stay focused on the perfumes and the scents that I'm panning, which is hard because with this season change, I just want to play around and, you know, enjoy some of these scents. But I'm trying to stay focused and eliminate some perfumes from the stash. But let me know if you guys have any of these perfumes or have used them or are wearing them now. And also, if you enjoyed this video, let me know if you would like to see a summer edition of my top 3 perfumes, because I would definitely be more than happy to do that in 3 months when summer rolls around. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.